sorry, girl, I gotta go. Yeah, you know this ain't the old me. Try to keep it on the low.
Hey, what's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this outdoor security camera, which is really fantastic with respect to its all features. Come with the rechargeable battery, which will last you about 180 days, two-way audio communication, a perfect motion detection system which will notify you on your mobile phone using the app, as well as if you got a smart watch. That feature was fantastic, to be honest with you. Now camera is also compatible to use indoor as well as outdoor because it comes with the IP66 waterproof rating, which is kind of weatherproof. And the next feature, which is remote viewing, you can view this camera anywhere in the world using the provided app, which is available on Google Play Store as well as iOS. So as usual, first let's go ahead with the unboxing and see what comes with this camera, following with how we're going to install the app on our smartphone device and the performance in the end. So start with, let's have a look what is included in the box. Now first, to start with, we have a quick user guide to set up this IP camera, which will give you all the information you need to know to set this IP camera, and it also includes setup information for the app as well. Two AC power adapters to charge this camera, one 2-meter micro USB cable for charging, couple of screws along with the reset pin, one 3M double side adhesive with iron ball wall mount, which can be used with the adhesive pad as well as on hard surface using the screws. Now in last but not least, we have a fully 100% wireless battery powered IP camera. Now first, to start with, I had to admit it's got a bit of weight in it. It's not cheap looking at all. Now in the front of camera you have a lens which is capable to record full HD 1080p video. Now under that you have a PIR sensor for the motion detection and a mic input for the two-way communication and a speaker on the back. On the back of camera you have a magnetic pad to install iron ball, simply just like that, and it's pretty strong as well. It's not going to go anywhere at all. And right under this magnet area you have a compartment where you have a slot for micro SD card, and it supports up to 128 gigabytes. Under that you have a micro USB port which is for charging. Next to it we have a power button and a reset pin on the top. Now under the camera you have a standard tab to install it on tripod, or if you got any special assemblies available. If you are going to use this IP camera outside in outdoors, you have to place this cover back right in there because it will make sure there's no water goes into it. Other than that, this whole camera is IP68 rated. Now around this camera lens you also have IR LEDs which will help you for the night vision, and a status indicator light on the top. Now let's go ahead and connect this IP camera with our mobile phone, where first thing we need is an app which is available in Google Play Store as well as iOS Store, and it's called Cloud Edge. Search app and install it. Open the app, where first you need to create an account with Cloud Edge application. If you already have it, just sign in. If not, just click onto the sign up. Now from here, follow all the instructions available in front of you, which are very easy to do. Now after creating account with Cloud Edge and entering your credential, you'll be on this screen where you need to click onto this plus button and select your camera. We have a battery camera. Click on it.
Press the bell button to wake the device if it is asleep.
Okay, now we need to follow all the instructions which app give us, and I'll be showing you as well at the same time. Let's power it up. Now once powered up, you're going to see solid red light on top here, and after that it will be flashing red. If it is the case, you need to go on your app and click yes, it is flashing. Go next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, now let's do that by provided pin right in here. Yep, you hear that sound. That's what you want. Now wait for this solid red light first, then flashing red. There you go, it's flashing red now. Click next.
Press the battery camera button and tap next.
There we go.
Select the Wi-Fi network.
Now in here type in your password, and it only works with the 2.4 gigahertz network.
Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your QR code. Then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.
Okay, now click next. Here is the QR code, and make sure your camera is facing towards it. There we go. Done. Next.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Done. There we go. Camera is added. You can click onto this plus button. So there we go. We are straight away connected with the camera, and everything you see is alive actually, guys. Very easy to work with this application. Now, if you like to go into the settings of the application, now if you like to go into the settings of this application, click right in here for this camera, and here you can see all the settings, starting with where you have the receive notification button. Now if you don't have the SD card installed, it will give you notification on your mobile phone if there's any movement detected in front of it. You can also share the information about it, also see the network strength and how it's performing. You also got the SD card option if you'd like to format it. I have installed the SD card in there, which is 64 gigabytes of it. I can go for 128. You can also format it right in there too. Now by click onto rotate view, you can change how you want it. Next we have the body detection. Now in here you have a multiple option, or you can just simply turn the whole thing off. The option wise, you got a low, medium and high. At the moment it's set to medium. You can set it to high. That will give you notification actually. Now when app is open, first to start with, you're going to see the live feed. Go into the history, and you can see the notification whenever they happen. To access the notification with respect to the date, go down into the calendar. Whenever a notification occurred, it will show you the date on it. Select the one date, and right in here is going to show you what is available on that particular date. If you click onto the alarm itself, it's going to show you on that date how many times alarm were triggered. Now if you like to go cancel that one, now you like to change the date, select on it and change the date, and here is going to show you the notification which happened on that particular date. Click onto the alarm history, and here we go with respect to the timings now. Well, app is very straightforward and it works great, no problem whatsoever. You can straight away go into the live feed or in a history if you wanted to, or you can change anything. Now whatever is going on the live feed, you can straight away record it by press of a button here. It will straight away start recording, and the footage will be stored on your SD card as well. You can also use the intercom feature as well as the screen capture if you want to. You can turn off the body detection as well. I have installed the camera using provided iron ball and looking down into my back garden right in here. So for the reference, you have got this picture which is full HD picture of my garden, and let me show you what quality comes out of this camera. Now after looking all the features this camera offers and the price range, I had to say it's the best buy, to be honest with you. If you are interested in buying this, I will leave a link in the video description for you, and I've shown you everything about this camera as well to make your life much easier. So on that note guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye.
Sorry, girl, I gotta go.